Hi, it's Paul Ursel here again. It's been a while. I think it's been about a year since we fixed your vision, and I hope you're enjoying it just as much now as you did back then. It's nice to get in contact with you again because we need to talk to you about the thing called the capsule. So you may remember when I last spoke to you, I told you about this little membrane inside the eye that holds the implant in place. So here is an eye, and just behind the iris, you have the lens, which is where the cataract was. We took that out and we put an implant into its place. Now, the implant is a little round disc, like a half-p coin, and it sits upright in there, and you look through it. And what holds it in place is a membrane called the capsule, and it shrink wraps around the implant and locks it into position. Now, over the last year, the implant has been fine. It's been sat there, it's good as gold, plastic, and it focuses the light, and that's why you're seeing so well. But the membrane that shrink wraps around it scars over, and over the course of time following the procedure, that scarring process turns it from cling wrap, which is crystal clear, like put around your sandwiches, into tissue paper, and you can't see so well through tissue paper. And that will happen down the track after the op. So about this stage, we like to get people back up to see me, and we make a little hole with a laser. It's very safe, very easy, doesn't hurt, takes only a few minutes. So you come up to the clinic and we use our little laser, which is very simple, very safe, to make a little hole in the tissue paper so that it doesn't affect your vision. So going forward, you won't have any problems. So I'd like you to go onto the website, cataract-doctor.com, book in to see me for a consultation. You probably need to let your insurance company know if you are insured, and then we can treat this, save us houses for you. Okay, see you soon. Bye-bye.